What if I said 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. You're going to have to do another quarter turn left to continue the next wall with 1, 2, and. There is a restart in wall 4 after 8 counts. It goes as follows: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. You're also going to have to add a quarter turn right to start again the dance with 1, 2, and. There is also a 4 count tag after the 6th wall. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Start again the dance.